Alrighty, so let's go ahead and talk about the slideshow settings that we have. And essentially, if we head on over to our slideshow, we click on the following edit button. We have the ability to add in a variety of content to the following slide. For example, we can add in our slide title. So we'll just add that here. Next off, we can add our slide description. If needed, we can also add in a link. So I'll go ahead and get flothemes.com, add that here, and then we can add in we can change the text color. So we'll have that white, and the text hover color can be changed to something like light gray. And then if we need to add a slide background, we can also do that, but in our case, we'll skip that. So let's go ahead and click on OK. We'll click on Update, and then we'll go over to our sample page and refresh this to essentially see what we've come up with. So here we have our slide title, we have our slide description. Once we click on it, we'll be redirected to flothemes.com. Alright, so let's just click back. Okay, and let's see here. If we click on the following edit button once again, we have the ability also to add a video URL or video link. So let's go ahead and copy this video from Vimeo, add this here, and we'll then simply click on OK. We'll click on Update, and then we'll refresh the following page once again. Alright, and then we have same story, our slide title, slide description, and then we have our play button, and once we click here, this enables our video. Okay, and finally we have our last setting, and that is adding in a logo to your slide. So let's just go ahead and remove all of this information here so it doesn't get into our way. We'll select a logo, and then we'll add an image, and I'm going to be using a white image on a transparent background, so that'll be a PNG image. Then we'll click on OK, we'll click on Update, and refresh the following page once again, and you'll see that we have the following image featured here. So this is pretty much it in terms of the overall slide settings that you have here. You can also add in a clean slide, and this is pretty much what it sounds like. It's a clean slide. There's really no content within this area here. You can add in your slide background if that would be required. So if we just select something like this over here, for example, and you can also add in some text, any type of description. You can add in a logo if that would be required as well. But that's pretty much it in terms of its capabilities. There's really not much to it. Just a standard slide. And then we'll click on OK, and then click on Update, and then we'll refresh this page once again. So this is what it looks like. Once again, it's really nothing special, but it may be useful for customizing your slide or adding in some other information to it. So we do hope this video helps in terms of getting a better idea of what these settings are within the slideshow. So yeah, for further information and details, you can also check out our written documentation as well. Thanks for watching.